just trying to keep it easy.
Hey, let me get that motor out of our bar, bro.
Yeah, he said I'm lying, bro.
Must be the stars, but something lining up. My exes was bad, but you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. Somebody who loves me in that business. Somebody who feel me in that business. We throw $50 to the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Turning up another night. We took the truck, we let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, already at the spot. Friends with all my friends, and they trying to get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home. I said I'm shy, baby, and it's doing a lot. I'm trying to do more than bust down your watch. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? For me, say it don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but she found out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I know there's somebody. She's far from God. Said it don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars or something lining up. Thought my exes was bad to find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that business. Somebody who feel me in that business. We throw $50 to the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, friends with all my friends, and they trying to get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. My bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and it's doing a lot. I'm trying to do more than bust down your watch. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? That's probably, man. Call up the house, fill up the back truck. Call up the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga. Come and shop with us. Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. Got the house right on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit.
Gotta be a healer, man.
Take too long to sell them shit, start turning real. Nigga, with the Tom Brown. Nigga, I bet the hoes ain't gon' need so much money. Let the money count it so I can. That's probably, man. Call up the driver, fill up the back truck. Call up the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga. Come and shop with us. Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. LB to the ground, on it take a nigga home. Fire walk, got the house spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere, like some hate. Take too long to sell them shit, start turning brand. Young about a trap nigga, white tee with the 10 brand. I bet the hoe, I gon' need see it money, let the money count, so I guess I gotta wait. Sometimes shit fast, sometimes we just let the truck stop. Kind of nerves, ain't on no Daytona, bro. I ain't home, same mode, all the time change clothes when I change states. Feel like the people on you, nigga better pray. Got no ego, probably put up the jury win. LA, big advisor know me well, nigga LB done. Don't quit playing right number, we gon' move a ton. I know I'm a top 5 seller, random mention. Summertime on the way, you can catch us on the yachts and jets. Laws hit the spot yesterday, but we still posted. Good lot of traffic, gotta know how to control it. Shit you brag about, used to it, wasn't even posted. Gotta pay the labels on the street when your shit rollin'.
Let's go.
Got about 4 spots, 5, 10, 20, nigga. That's a deep boy night. RP Nip, nigga.
Yeah, we ain't tripping about no
you ain't where you wanna be.
no copyright this go.
I was 21, nigga, when I did the Audemars. Screaming, oh my God, there you go. Guess I'm a super song. 8 month run,
I didn't
bring that bag up super full. That Z tatted on her. Nigga, zillionaires, what we on? That was last. I'm proud, man. The driver, fill up the back truck. Call up the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga, come and shop with us. Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. LB to the ground, money take a nigga home. Fire walk, got the hair spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere,
like some hate.
Take too long to sell them shit, start turn round. Young about a trap nigga, white tee with the 10 round. I gon' need see it money, let the money count, so I guess I gotta wait. Sometimes shit fast, sometimes we just let the truck stop. Kinda nerves, I don't know, bro, watch me, gotta get the thing home, same mode. All the time change clothes when I change states. Feel like the people on me, nigga better pay. Got no ego, probably put up the jury win. LA, big advisor know me well, nigga LB dog. Don't quit playing right number, we gon' move a ton. I know I'm a top 5 seller, random mention. Time on the way, you can catch us on the yachts and jets. Laws hit the spot yesterday, but we still posted. Good lot of traffic, gotta know how to control it. Shit you brag about, used to it, wasn't even posted. Gotta pay the labels on the street when your shit rollin'. Why I wanna sleep in the 10, 20, nigga, that's a deep boy night. RP Nip, now think about the long run. Grinding, you ain't where you wanna be, that shit a burn. 21, nigga, when I did the Audemars. Screaming, oh my God, there you go, guess I'm a superstar. 8 month run, nigga, bring that bag up super full. See that Z tatted on her, nigga, zillionaires, what we on? I was last seen in the hood, nigga,
My God,
nigga,
you got it.
Get it, hit the grams in a glass jar. Tryna see that money add up, stay out the ball. It's some fast shit, hit the gas, all you hear is wrong. Call up the driver, fill up the black truck. They got whatever you need, nigga, come and shop with us.
Hey, bro.
What's up, man?
Which motor that is, boy?
How you doing?
Which motor that is?
Say it again.
Which motor that is?
Oh, this the 143.
That's the one from the...
Oh, yeah. I gotta get y'all on camera, so it's all good. Yeah, this the 143 though.
What it do, bro?
Oh man, it's up. Where y'all from?
Hey, man, we from Gainesville, Jacksonville. Oh, we all...
It's all good. What's up, man?
We on YouTube, bro.
Oh yeah, it's love.
Yeah.
It's love.
Everyone do. We see you cut it loose just now.
Oh, you know, I'm just trying to keep it easy.
Hey, let me get that motor out of our bar front.
Yeah, he said I'm lying, bro. For sure. Hey, likewise. For sure. Nice meeting you, man. Let me see.
Every time we in the... I'm proud of that. To the ground, only take a nigga hot. Walk, got the hair spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere. Like some hate. Take too long to sell them shit, start turning brown. Young boss, trap nigga. White
What's up, man? How you doing?
Bet the hoe. Ain't gon' need to see it, money.
It's good seeing you, man. I ain't seen you in a while.
I know.
Man, I've been in the house. I'm trying to get like you though again. I'm back outside. I gotta get you on camera, so I'm gonna close it though. But it's good seeing you, man. Love. That part. Good seeing y'all.
Money counting, so I guess I gotta win. Sometimes shit fast, sometimes slow. Let the truck stop, kinda nerves, ain't on no Daytona. Bro, watch speed, gotta get them things home, same mode. All the time change clothes when I change states. Feel like the people on you, nigga better pay. Got no ego problem, put up the jury win. LLB advisor know me well, nigga LV done. Don't quit playing right number, we gon' move a ton. I know I'm a top 5 seller, random metro, so it's time on the way. You can catch us on the Houston Jets. But we still traffic control, shit you brag about. Used to it, one end posted. Gotta pay the neighbors on the street when your shit rolling. Why I wanna sleep at the night? Got about 4 spots, 5, 10, 20, nigga, that's a deep boy night. RP Nip, nigga, I'm thinking about the long run. Grinding, you ain't where you wanna be, this shit a marathon. I was 21, nigga, when I did the Audemars. Screaming, oh my God, there you go, guess I'm a superstar. 8-month run, nigga ran that bag up super far. See that Z tatted on him, nigga zillionaires, what we on? It was last seen in the hood in a supercar. Nigga tryna get it, had the grams in a glass jar. Tryna see that money add up, stay out the wall. It's some bad shit, hit the gas, all you hear is wrong. Call up the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga, come and shop with us. Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. LV to the ground, on that take a nigga home. While I walk out the house, spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere, like some hate. Take too long to sell them shit,
Start turn brown.
boss, trap nigga.
I can't even get to the damn. I can't even get to the damn air. I was trying to come through popping willies. I'm trying to take some air out so I can get a willy in. Pull up right now, get what you need. They probably ain't even on that side.
I've been busy all day, now I'm counting up hundreds. Full-time rapper, never broke, no, keep a thing. I'm proud, man. Up the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga.
Come and shop with us.
Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. LV to the ground, on that take a nigga hoe. While I walk out the house, spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere, like some hate. Take too long to sell them shit, start turning brown. Young boss, trap nigga, white tee with the tall brown. Nigga, I bet the hoe. Ain't gon' need so much money, let the money count, so I got a wig.
Sometimes shit fast, sometimes slow.
Let the truck stop, call a
Nervous ain't on no date.
No, bro, watch speed, gotta get them things home, same mode. All the time change clothes,
When I change states,
feel like the people on you.
gotta play it safe.
Got no ego problem, put up the jury win.
LA.
LV advisor know me well, nigga LV done. Bro, quit playing right number, we gon' move a ton.
My God.
Top 5 seller, random metro, so it's time on the way. You can catch us on the yachts and jets. I was hit the spot yesterday, but we still post. A lot of traffic, gotta know how to control it. Shit you brag about, used to it, one end posted. Gotta pay the neighbors on the street when your shit rolling. Why I wanna sleep at the night?
Got about 4 spots.
5, 10, 20, nigga, that's a deep boy night. RP Nip, nigga, I'm thinking about the long run. Grinding, you ain't where you wanna be, this shit a marathon. I was 21, nigga, when I did the Audemars. Screaming, oh my God, there you go, guess I'm a superstar. 8-month run, nigga ran that bag up super far. See that Z tatted on him,
Cause it's in there
hear is what we on. That was last seen in the hood in a super car. Nigga tryna get it, had the grounds in a glass jar. Tryna see that money add up.
Stay out the bar.
It's some fast shit, hit the gas.
All you hear is raw.
I love the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga.
Come and shop with us.
Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. LV to the ground, on that take a nigga home. Walk out the house, spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere, like some hate. Take too long to sell them shit, start turning brown. Young Bob's trap nigga, white tee with the Tom Brown. Tom Brown. I'm about man. Walk out the house, spray on some court cake. Sometime on the way, just on the gas stage. Yeah, be fuck with.
I told y'all we not doing no we not worried about no copyright this video.
Fill up the driver, fill up the black truck.
Yeah, let's go. Call up the driver, fill up the black truck.
We got whatever you need, nigga. Come and shop with us. Every time we in the club, we got money on the floor. LV to the ground, on that take a nigga home. Walk out the house, spray on some court cake. Walk in the spot, now shit everywhere, like some hate. Take too long to sell them shit, start turning brown. Young Bob's trap nigga, white tee
With the Tom Brown.
nigga, I bet the hoe. I don't need to see it. Money, let the money count, so I got a wig.
Sometimes shit fast, sometimes slow.
Let the truck stop,
Kinda nervous, ain't on no date.
Yo, bro, watch speed, gotta get them things on. Same mode, all the time change clothes.
Like I changed states.
Feel like the
That part.
nigga better pay. Got no ego, power, put up the gear, win. LA, everybody know me well, nigga. LV, bro, quit playing right now, we gon' move a ton. I know I'm a top 5 seller with a metric ton. Time on the way, you can catch us on the yachts and jets. I was at the spot yesterday, but we still posted. Good lot of traffic, gotta know how to control shit you brag about. Used to it, wasn't it?
Think about the long run.
Ronnie, you ain't where you wanna be. This shit a marathon. I was 21, nigga. Did the Audemars. Screaming, oh my God, there you go. Guess I'm a superstar. 8 month run, nigga ran that bag of super food. That Z turned on. Nigga Z nerds, what we on? That was last seen in the hood in a super car. Nigga tryna get it, had the grounds in a glass jar. Tryna see that money add up. Stay out the ball. It's some fast shit. Hit the gas.
All you hear is raw.
Call up the driver, fill up the black truck. We got whatever you need, nigga.
Come and shop with us.
Every time.